Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside the presentation. Sign in and open the file you'll spotlight. Once done, confirm presenter permissions like microphone and camera if you'll record. Click the Present drop-down and choose Presenter View or a windowed present option so you can manage controls. Make sure your speaker notes are visible and that the slide you want to spotlight is selected. This first setup avoids scrambling later and lets you move straight into spotlighting with control and confidence. Now activate the spotlight feature during the live presentation or recording. In Presenter View, look for the participant or thumbnail you want to highlight. Select Spotlight or Spotlight Speaker from the menu. Once selected, the audience sees only that speaker or element. Use this to emphasize demos or presenters. Make sure to switch or remove the spotlight intentionally when moving to group discussion. If you have co-presenters, assign spotlight control to them when their segment begins to keep transitions smooth. Finish by ending the spotlight before you close the presentation so attendees see the full slide deck again. Once done, switch back to the default presentation view and advance slides normally. This prevents a jarring ending. If the spotlight doesn't engage, try refreshing the presenter window, reassigning presenter privileges, or confirming browser permissions for camera/microphone. Make sure collaborators have appropriate access. If problems persist, reopen the file and repeat the spotlight selection. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.